Hello, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. This is my Foley artist video. I found that if you scrape a metal spatula against a cookie sheet, it makes like a shingy sort of sword sound. And this is Mr. Taylor to demonstrate. Yeah. So, and I decided to make a short scene, very short, just like a few seconds of how it would look with me pulling my number one weapon, slide whistle, out of my pocket. Are you ready, Mr. Taylor? Ready again?
Yep.
Then I'm gonna fight you with my slide whistle.
Okay.
Yeah. So I look forward. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. You do not have to make the scene. You just have to show me what it is and what you maybe could use it for. And this is what I live with. And seeing what you could use it with in a movie. Happy sound making.